Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through plant-based milks. So if you don't know anything about eczema, you need to know that lactose found in animal-based milk is extremely bad for it. It actually causes leaky gut, which is the root cause of eczema. So I am Michelle Mills. I'm a certified health coach, and I'm here to teach you how to transform your eczema into healthy skin. So what I really want to do is help you guys try to navigate this at the very least. And so I'm going to go through the stages and kind of talk you through what plant-based milks are good for what stage. So if you are in stage 1, you may only have homemade cashew milk. You're going to take raw cashews, put them in a container, fill it with water, soak them overnight. So this kind of pulls out any of the bad nutrients that we don't want. So you're going to dump that water the next day, and you're going to put the cashews in a blender, and then you're going to put in even more water into there, and so you're going to blend that a bunch until you have like this weird milky looking water. And then you take a nut bag or a cheesecloth and you basically dump everything. You want to make sure that you have something to catch the milk with, and so you're going to catch all the liquid into another container, and in that container is your nut milk, and you can add a little bit of maple syrup and a tiny bit of salt if that's how you like your milk to taste. So that is stage 1 friendly. So the second milk we're going to talk about is one that's okay. You can actually make flax milk, and so flax milk and cashew milk are both okay for stage 1, but you need to make them at home. So once you start to heal, you can use a couple different brands from the store. And so one is Forager's cashew milk, unsweetened. You have to make sure that if you buy milk at the store, it's unsweetened, because it's usually sweetened with cane sugar, which negatively impacts eczema. So Forager's unsweetened vanilla is fine. And then you can get a flax milk. There's only one brand that really carries flax milk in America. So from there, when you start to heal even more, you can include different types of milks. And so this is when you're in stage 2, you can experiment a little bit. You can have, they have a lot of different milks out there. You can try like macadamia nut milk is fine. What you need to leave for last is almond milk. Almond is very high in salicylates and will make you very itchy. So number 1 is cashew milk. Number 2 is flax milk, then macadamia nut milk. Then you can actually have rice milk, and you can have pea protein milk. And so those are great for stage 1, stage 2. Stage 1 being more so the cashew milk that you make from home. If you have very severe eczema, limit yourself to only that. So moving forward, then when you're in stage 3, you can expand to coconut milk and almond milk. So my favorite is the Forager's unsweetened vanilla cashew milk. I absolutely love it. I think it tastes the most creamy. I also really like the milk that comes from macadamia nuts. Also, you can, in stage 1, have oat milk if you make it yourself. So it's the same process. Soak the oats, blend the oats, get all the liquid out of the oats. And there's tons of recipes all over the internet that you can find to help you make these homemade milks. So let's run through it once again. If you're in stage 1, do not consume almond milk. Stay away from macadamia nut milk. Stay away from coconut milk. If you're in stage 1, you want cashew milk, maybe flax milk. You can make homemade rice milk, homemade oat milk. Then when you're in stage 2, you can probably transition to a store-bought Forager's cashew milk. You can do that flax milk that I was talking about. You can do the macadamia nut milk. Then when you transition to stage 3, you can pretty much have any clean, unsweetened nut milk that you want, because your body's all healed, your liver is detoxing in the way it should, and you should be totally fine trying any sort of clean plant-based milk. And I really wanted to clarify this because I get a lot of questions all the time about this subject. So if you like to eat I don't even know what people usually use milk for. Sometimes I add it into my banana ice cream, and so it's basically a healthy ice cream, and you can eat it in stage 1. It's frozen bananas, carob powder, and a little bit of plant-based milk, and you blend it together. I used to add flax oil as well because flax oil is anti-inflammatory. So this is just a super quick video. I wanted to get it out there and clarify because I get a lot of questions about plant-based milks. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I know this is super short, but I just wanted to come say hello for a second. Alright guys, see ya!